Hello and welcome to the CQ Researcher video overview. This tutorial will provide an overview of the library database CQ Researcher, which includes how to browse and search for reports, as well as report sharing tools. What is CQ Researcher? CQ Researcher is the go-to resource for reports that explore a balanced look at today's biggest social, political, and economic issues. Every report is written by a professional journalist and is fully fact-checked, but keep in mind that these reports are not peer-reviewed. How do you get to CQ Researcher? From the library homepage, click on the A to Z database list in the quick link box on the left-hand side. Browse or search for CQ Researcher in the search box on the left and click on the database link. How do you search CQ Researcher? You can both search and browse for reports in this database. You can browse by topics, hot topics, pro and con, as well as see upcoming reports. To search for reports, use the quick search box at the top of the homepage and enter broad keywords. For example, I'll enter natural disasters into the search box and click on the magnifying glass to search. The results are sorted by relevancy, but you can also sort alphabetically, most recent, or most popular from the drop-down menu near the top of the results page. I'm going to sort by most recent. You can also filter your results by using the tool on the left-hand side of the screen. I will filter by topic and select the Environment, Climate, and Natural Resources category. There is also a publication date filter you can apply. CQ Researcher has an archive that goes back to the early 90s. Depending on your topic, the date may or may not be important, but with topics such as science or technology, the more recent the better, since things change so much in those fields. I'll select the last 5 years by dragging the slider and selecting Apply Filter. Let's dig deeper into the reports. Let's click on the title to open the report, Building Resilience: Can Communities Protect Against Increasingly Intense Natural Disasters? The title, date, author are listed on the top of the page, along with other information about the report. The table of contents on the right-hand side helps you navigate through the different parts of the comprehensive report. Many of the reports also include a pro and con debate to see both sides of the argument. Every report will have a bibliography. All the sources the author used in their report will be here. I'll click on the bibliography link in the table of contents. You can use their bibliography to help you track down additional relevant sources for your topic. I'll click on the scroll back to top button to bring me back to the top of the page. CQ Researcher has many tools to help you save your research. Above the table of contents, there are options to send a link, share, and download a PDF of the report. There's also a cite tool in this section as well. If you do use this report in your research assignment, you need to cite it. Click on the Cite button and select the citation style you need. The default is to APA style, so this is modeling what the reference citation would look like in APA style. Click on the Copy Clipboard button to copy the citation so you can paste it to your reference list of your research project. So that is a quick overview of CQ Researcher. It's a great database for both browsing and searching for information on current events. If you have any questions about CQ Researcher, you can always reach out to the Shapiro Library for help by using the 24/7 library chat button on the homepage of the library website or emailing ask@snhu.libanswers.com. Thank you for watching this video and good luck with your research.